cook every night, but let me tell you, there are nights, especially those nights when my husband is on shift as a firefighter and I'm home alone, that I want to do something super simple. So I'll have leftovers or I'll make a very simple salad. So tonight, I'm going to show you how to make a lean and green Cobb salad. So come along and lean and green with me. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth, and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. As part of the 5-in-1 program, I do eat 5 fuelings that come to me each month in my Optavia box, but I also each day get to make a lean and green meal, which consists of 5 to 7 ounces of lean protein, plus 3 servings of a non-starchy vegetable, plus a variety of condiments, sometimes some healthy fats, and that is what I'm going to make today. Before I show you the ingredients though, just really quickly scroll down, hit the thumbs up button, and just let me know that you like these kind of videos. And I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That just lets me know you like this content, you want to keep on seeing more videos like this. It also lets me know that you are supporting me on my journey to become healthier. So far I've lost 78 pounds and I am on track to lose another 73. So we'll see how we do. Maybe it'll be even more. So let me show you the ingredients for the Cobb salad. You're gonna need 2 servings or 2 cups of romaine lettuce. The best way to do lettuce is to weigh it out. And 1 cup of romaine lettuce weighs 1.66 ounces. So this is about 3 3/8 of an ounce pretty much of romaine lettuce. I need 2 slices of turkey bacon. I cooked this today in my air fryer. If you put the turkey bacon in your air fryer for about 4 to 5 minutes at 350, it'll get nice and crispy. So I have already cut that up. I have 1/2 of a cup or about 2.6 ounces of cherry tomatoes that I have cut into quarters. I have 4 ounces of grilled chicken breast, 1 hard-boiled egg that I have sliced. I have 1.5 ounces of diced avocado. And then my dressing is made up of 2 tablespoons of fat-free Greek yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon of dry ranch dressing seasoning, and then water to thin it out to make it into a dressing consistency. And then the final thing is to use, you can do this, you don't have to, but you can use one of your optional snacks. This is the puffed ranch snacks that come from Optavia. We had a little discussion this week on one of the Facebook groups about snacks on Optavia, and all of the snacks come in these blue bags. So if it comes in a blue bag and it says snacks on the side, it would count as an optional snack. You get 1 optional snack a day. These do not come in the pre-packaged boxes unless you order them specifically. And any of the Optavia eating plans, you can have 1 optional snack. And so the puffed ranch snacks works really great as croutons on this salad. So let me show you how to put this together. I like to make sure that my lettuce is dressed. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing I'm going to do is add my tomatoes onto my lettuce, and then I'm going to take my dressing and put my dressing in here. I want to make sure that I get it all out of the container so I get all of it. And then I'm going to put the lid on this, and I'm going to shake it up, and that will just make sure that I have dressing all over the lettuce and the tomatoes. I want this to look really pretty, and I want to make sure that I get everything in there. You know, when you don't get a lot of dressing, the shake up method is a great way to make sure that you get that dressing spread around and get the lettuce and vegetables all coated, so give that a try. It also fluffs up the salad so it looks like a huge portion. So my lettuce and tomato are in there, my dressing is in there, and by the way, the avocado, so the recipe that I followed, the directions actually say to mash up the avocado into the dressing, but I really like the texture and the taste of avocado, so I decided to leave that out, and the dressing was fine without the avocado in there, so I'm going to do that separately. So I'm going to sprinkle on my chicken, and then sprinkle on my turkey bacon, and then put my sliced egg on there. This is just a hard-boiled egg that I did in my Instant Pot, 6 minutes, and it makes a great hard-boiled egg that way. You can have up to three eggs equals one leanest. I'm sorry. 3 eggs is 1 lean, and you can have that twice a week if you want to do that. I don't do eggs very often, but I will do that. And then I'm just going to top it with my hands are all covered with avocado too, so that's fun. I'm going to top it with my puffed ranch snacks as my croutons. And how simple was that? A great Cobb salad that's going to be very filling for my lean and green tonight. I hope that you'll give it a try. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until I see you next time, please live in the light.